Welcome again to my tutorial video today, guys, on how you can easily copy a professional trader using your laptop. In this video I will show you everything step by step you need to understand about copy trading, on how you can easily copy it right now using your laptop on the web browser on your laptop. So just make sure to subscribe, like, share this video to all your friends on social media, and I'll walk you through in this video how can you copy a professional trader that I will recommend. This video just based on educational purpose, not for financial advisor. So anything I say on this video is just for educational purpose only, not for financial advisor. So I will show you, walk you through what is copy trade. What copy trade is, just like you are copying someone trade, and it will start reflecting on your own account as the person is trading. Is very easy without doing any. It's just like automated trade. All right, you just set your stop loss and apply risk management. That is all what you need to do. So I will show you how to copy a pro trader on PU Prime full tutorial 2026 using your laptop on PU Prime website. You can see this is the website, and we are using laptop for this tutorial. I'll show you a sample tutorial on how you can easily do it. Just make sure to stick around and watch this video to the end. The first thing you need to do if you want to start copy trading, you need a PU Prime account first. That is the first thing you need to do. All right, let's just make sure to click on the first link of this video to register. Put your first name, your email address, your password, then click on this create an account. Then make sure you fully verify your account with your details, and make sure that account is fully verify. If you don't know how to create an account, I have the video already on my YouTube channel. Just go and watch the video down below this video. You see the link of the video down below this video. So I will show you how you can get into this particular P Prime right now in this video using your laptop right now. So just make sure to subscribe, and let's dive into the video. The first thing you need to have is to have an account, a verified account like this, and how you can easily do that right now on your laptop. So when you log into your account like this, you can see I have just a sample dollar for you guys to know how to do that right now. So if you want to do that, you can just come to this where they write something like accounts on this icon I'm showing you here. So click on that area. You can see I have many trading account I have already created for myself, but I'll show you, walk you through on how you can create your own Ascent account for this particular tutorial. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to just come to this plus icon where they write open account on your laptop on the web browser of PU Prime website. All right, click on this open account. Then you need to come to this area where they say recommended MT5 trader. Select it, but right now we want to create a PU Prime copy trading account, not a live standard account, a sent account. Just come to this area where they write popular copy trading. All right, then you need to just come to this area we call standard. Then you need to just select a sent account. Here you can see a sent account. All right, a standard send account. You can see send standard account. Then you can see we have a USC, not a dollar account, a cent account, not a dollar. Then you scroll down, then you click on this, click this one. Is very simple. Make sure you click everything. You can even write anything here. You can write your nickname, you can write FS trading, you can just write anything you like here. It depends on you. Then you click on this submit button. You can see you click on this submit button. Once you do that, your account will be something like this. You can see I have a USC account. All right, I have a USC account. Now your account can be, let me just even show you the filter of just active account, like a all right, so trading platform, just copy trading account. That is just what I just want to have here. And All right, active and live. Okay, so you can see I just have only this icon here, so that I don't want to confuse you. This one is US dollar account, a cent US dollar, but the one I created is what is a cent account, not a dollar account. Make sure you pay attention to this particular update. It's very, very important, guys. Then the fourth, after you have successfully create your trading account of a cent account, not a dollar, then you can, you can set your leverage. You can, it depends, it's okay. This one is default by PU Prime. You can see, you can just leave it like this. Then you come to this area, then you need to just fund that account. It's very, very important. Then you fund that particular cent account with your USDT. Click on deposit. It's very, very, very important. Then you can see this is the account we want to fund, the PU Prime cent account we create just now. So I'm just showing you how you can do that. All right. Okay, so now you can see this is the account. Then you put, let's say you can start as low as 20, let's say even $50. I recommend, sorry, if you want to start, let's say you have an $100. So $100 equivalent to cents, it will give you about 10,000 cents. 10,000 cents, which is $100 as for beginner to start this particular copy trading, which is 10,000 cents. Then you need to just click on this continue. I'm trying to walk you through the process step by step, all right, on how to do that. Then you need to just come to this cryptocurrency area. All right, then you need to just come to, I like to use something like BEP20. Yeah, BEP20 is here. Yes, I'm looking for BEP20. Yes, this is BEP20. I've already selected it already. So just scroll down very well. Then you click on this continue. Then you need to just fund that account with it's very, very important. It's just fund that account. So let me just do that. Let's say I want to fund with $100. I will just try to fund that account with $100 right now. Then I will get back to you. So you can see, let me just try to fund that account with just $100 with my mobile, and I will get back to right now so you can see the sample right now, guys. To fund the account, let me just go to withdraw. I'm just showing a sample on how to do that right now. It's okay. I have already, so let me just try to scan it. I want to scan the area of you can see I've already scanned it. It's very, very simple. Let me just select BEP20 network. Is very simple. Let me just try to put in $100.01. All right, so I've already, you can see, I will just click on withdraw. Then I will now put all my something. I will now click on confirm right now. So I'm trying to show you how to do that right now, guys. So let me just try to fund it, and I will get back to you to that video. It's very, very, very important. So let me just do that right now. You can see it's very, very amazing, guys. Let me just try to refresh this area. Right, I've already sent the $100 to that account. So let me just try to continue with the video, then I'll get back to you. So let me just go back and continue with the video. All right, so right now I've already funded the account already. Let me just click on this pay now. I've already funded this part. Let me just go back and show you the accounts right now that I have already funded this account. You can see 10,000 UXC is being you can see this, right? Can you see I've already funded the account with $100, which is I have less than 102. So let me just go back to the interface of the accounts. So you are going to see, can you see this is the account? I have 11,291 cents. All right, so the account is being funded already. You can see. So how can you get into that copy trading? Just come to this area. All right, click on trade. So you can see you are going to see many traders, many professional traders there. Let me just try to reduce it for you guys to see the interface very well. So you can see what I'm showing right now. So you can easily see many trader here. So you can, but for me, I have one particular one just want to give you guys today. I have one particular one. You can see these are the many trader. You can see this is a recommendation. This is rank list. You can come to rank list and select them by default, wherever. So, but let me just go straight to the point because I don't want to waste your time in this video. All right, so let me just try to show you the popular one. I want to just give you one in this video for you guys to start copying the trader here right now. So this is the copy trader account. So you can just search for the trader I want to give you here on the search bar here. You can see on the search bar here. All right, so you just click on this area. I'll give you how to search. All right, so that's, then you now click on this search bar. You can see this is the guy I would just want to give you guys today in this video. So you click on it. All right, you can see, then you can click on this copy, but you can see all these trades. Can you see on daily trades, maximum daily return? You can see everything here. You can see on the 19, on the 16 is daily trade. You can see everything on the 13 here. All right, and just try to do your own personal research about it. The guy is only trading on AUD card. Just AUD card. Is very active. AUD card only, and is very active guy. You can see. Right, he started right. You can see, so it's very silent guy. So you can just do your research, and you can see portfolio and everything. Right, it's some trader may I can see this is the portfolio is about 30,269 USC. That's the capital it's using currently, and you can see the max is just risks. It's just you can see. So how can you copy this particular trader right now? You can see, just click on copy, then you can see right, you can see, so you can see everything step by step. Right, so you can, minimum to copy this guy is 2,000 cents, around $20, but I recommend to go for, depend on you, sure. I'm not recommend anything for you guys, but the minimum is $20, which is 2,000 cents. So I'm using about 10,000 cents on this tutorial for you guys to show you guys. So let me just even show you. So if you want to get this is the setup. We normally use equivalent to use margin. Don't use fixed loss wherever, just use this one. Then the investments you want to use on this tutorial, I have a, let's say 10,000. So I just want to get, let's say 10,000. I say $100 and see the part. Then make sure you leave this one, which is a proportion, equity by proportion, which is 1.0. Then the stop loss, you can use the 50 or even all right, so you can use, let's say 50 as for this tutorial. Let me just use 50. All right, then you come back to take profit and just leave it blank. Then leave this one like this one, lot run up. Then don't click on this one, copy open trade, since you don't know what is going on right now, but you can just leave this one like this. All right, so all right, let me just, all right, so right now you can see I've already set everything estimated. You can see I've already set everything. All right, which is, so now you can see take profit, just leave it open, don't select this one, just leave that lot run up. All right, you can even read this one, you can see, read this one as well. Then you click on this, a strategy can be copied twice a day, current account on just click on this submit. It's that simple. You can see submit successfully. You can see I've already copied this particular trader successfully, so you can just click on OK. So if you want to review your copier, you are a copier. So this is my 10,000 USC accounts here. So if you want to, let's say if you want to delete or you want to stop the trade, you can just come to this manage. You can remove, you can pause copying, you can stop more setting. You can see this is more setting you can do for your something. So that's how you can, if you want to stop it, just come to manage, then you can stop it, pause, remove, add, more setting, then details as well. You can also come to detail to see all your everything here. When the stage starts, can you see? If you want to go for manage again, you can see pause some. So this is how you can just do everything step by step. So guys, if you really enjoying this video so far, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and share this video. In my next comment video, I'll show you step by step on how you can copy this particular trader on your mobile devices on PU Prime app live with me here on this particular YouTube channel. Try to like this video, share this video, and let me know your thoughts. Let me know which country are you watching from on this particular video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now, guys.